Hi everybody, I'm Mark DeLeese, and this is version 1.8 of MemberPlayer. And in this short video, I want to show you how to add the new YouTube and Vimeo options that are completely responsive and mobile ready. First, I want to show you that what happens if you do not have a YouTube video that is responsive. If you go to YouTube and you visit a video and you come down here and you click on the share button and you get the embed code, and this is usually an iframe, or you can use the old embed code. If you use the iframe or the embed code and you simply paste that on your WordPress blog or on a static HTML page, it will not be responsive. And most of the video players that have some type of YouTube ability to them also are not responsive. And I'll show you what it means to be responsive and not responsive. MemberPlayer is one of the first plugins that enables you to have many features of YouTube, but it also is fluid and fully responsive. I'll show you how this works. Here is a video on a sales page, and this page is responsive. So if I click here, you'll see that it shrinks in size, but also has a video. Let me show you. It has a YouTube video. Now this is not my page, it's somebody else's, but it has a YouTube video, and I'll show you what happens when I minimize this. You'll see how the YouTube video is not responsive. You'll see that if I keep on shrinking it, it actually covers over the play button and it does not shrink down. All right. This is what happens when you have a website that is responsive and you put a YouTube video on it. It's just a plain embed code or iframe. It will not be responsive. YouTube by default is not responsive. Well, with MemberPlayer, it will be responsive. And I will show you how to set this up. If you go to your WordPress dashboard, you click on MemberPlayer in the sidebar and you click on Add New Videos. And I'll do that right now. And I'm just going to put a title in here, and it's going to be YouTube demo. And I'm just going to add one video, but you can have grid style videos. And it gives you a number of options. Let me stretch this over a little bit. It gives you a number of options, and you'll see self-hosted. So your self-hosted videos are down here, your video files, but also it has YouTube and Vimeo. So if I click on YouTube, you'll see that the interface changes, and I simply put in my YouTube video ID, not the URL, but the ID, okay? And how to get this ID, I'm going to visit this video right here, and I'm going to come up to my browser, and the ID is at the end of this YouTube video. So it says question mark video equal sign. Here is the ID right there. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to get this down here. I'm going to get that ID, and I'm going to head over to my membership player admin area, and I will simply paste this ID right in there. I'll right click and paste that ID right in there. Now it also comes with a really cool number of options. Let me just stretch this out a little bit more. I have a lot of different options that you can choose from. First of all, you need to understand that it will keep the aspect ratio that you have here. Some YouTube videos are uploaded in 4:3 ratio, and some YouTube videos are uploaded in 16:9 ratio. So you need to select which one it'll be. Obviously this one here is a 16:9 ratio, and it's a high definition, so it's HD, so it's 16:9. So I will select 16:9 ratio. Then when this is selected, you can go ahead and select the width, and the height will automatically be calculated according to the ratio that you select. So right now I'm going to put a 720 ratio, or excuse me, a 720 width, and so the height will automatically be 405 because it's a 16:9 ratio. Now look at these parameters. These are awesome. Do I want to have auto hide? Yes or no? Auto hide is when you hover over the video and the control bar will appear. When you take your mouse off the screen of the video, the control bar will hide. Do you want your control bar on or off? Yes or no? You want to show the logo. Now this logo now is for the logo inside the control bar, and this is on or off. What theme? This is for the control bar. You want the light or the dark for the control bar. I'm just going to have no control bar, so it's irrelevant. And then do I want to have the video loop? This is the loop is when the video will play over and over and over again. A really cool feature. Do I want to have autoplay on or off? Related videos at the very end to be on or off? Do I want to show the title? Yes or no? Do I want to show high quality? Now make sure when you select high quality that your YouTube video supports high quality. And how to do this, you click on this little settings button here and you'll see it says quality. And if it has 720 HD, it'll support it. It also goes, some videos also have 1080p, and so it's even higher. This one, the maximum you can do for this one is 720 HD. So I will click here, I will put this in 720 HD, so it'll preload in HD. Now this is a really cool new feature. I've never added this before to any other of my video players. It'll also do a video start point and also a video end point. So I can have this video start in, say for example, at the 20-second mark. And it'll start at the 20-second mark right here. And I can also have it end, or this is the start. I can also have it end at a certain point as well. This is really cool. I never added this before either. Do I want to show annotations? If I select yes, then it will show annotations. Obviously, if I select no, it'll take the annotations of YouTube off of it. And then I want to have the video alignment, left, center, or right. I'll have it centered. Now, if I want to have the embed code, I can take the embed code and put it on third-party URLs, like a static HTML site and so forth. And I've showed you how to do this in a different video tutorial. Once I'm done, I will simply click on Publish right there. And it will give me the short code is right here. That's the short code, member player, right there. I will take this. Oops, let me just grab all of it. Right click. You'll notice that also after I click the publish that the script and the embed code shows up on below. So you have to click on publish or update in order for the embed code to appear. Now I'm going to simply just open up a new page. I'm going to go to pages and I'm going to click on new page and I'm going to do YouTube demo, and I'm going to simply just paste that short code right there, okay? And I'm going to simply just publish this page, and it's simple as that. It is done. Now I will take this and I will just simply view the page, and there it is right there, okay? If I want to make any changes like auto start, I can just do that in the general settings. Right now the auto start is not on, but if I go back to the settings and I come back here, I'll put the auto start to be on. I click on yes, and I will update this. Now if I come back to the video and click on play, the auto start will appear right away. See the auto start? And let me just pause this, and I'm going to go to my Firefox developer, and oh, that's not the one that I wanted. That's the Firebug. I'll go to my Firefox developer and view in responsive design. And now if I view in responsive design, you'll see here that it's totally responsive. The YouTube video is responsive. Okay, so if I shrink down the browser window, the YouTube video is responsive, and it will play just like this. See that? Pause and start. Totally responsive to mobile design. I'm just going to quickly go over the Vimeo. The Vimeo is exactly the same. There's no difference in the features. If I click on Vimeo, once again the user interface changes. I put in the Vimeo video ID. Put it right in there. Once again, the height will automatically be calculated for you, and it has a number of different parameters that you can do here. Obviously autoplay on or off. It has a byline for users. The control color, you can actually do the control bar color, which is really cool. If you want to show the badge on or off, just visit the Vimeo and you'll understand what the badges are. It has a loop. Do you want to have the video play on over and over again? Title on or off. It says note that some Vimeo options may not work on some browsers and devices declared officially by Vimeo. And then you simply do the center, right or left. And so those are the Vimeo options, and you just do the same thing. This is the short code. You put that on your site, and it'll be fully responsive on your websites when you put it on a responsive design website. All right, so these are the options for YouTube and Vimeo, and they're awesome, and it works totally, and it's responsive to mobile design, and I'm really happy to introduce this to you. Here it is right here once again. So it has different, obviously, let me make it a little bit bigger, and you can see that it's totally responsive for the YouTube video. Thank you.